For the past 2 days, I have been working with the trained midwife in the camp, and she walked me through how they're taught to give home births, because 90% of the births in camp are home births, and what counseling looks like afterwards. At 9 months of pregnancy, anyone who's pregnant comes to the camp and they receive a birthing kit, or they call it the birthing basket, and they receive counseling on how to have a successful home birth. So in it is a piece of plastic that you place on the floor when they start experiencing labor contractions, and then they are given a sheet of gauze to wrap the baby in after birth. They are provided with an umbilical clamp and a blade and taught how to cut the umbilical cord, and with antiseptic that they put on to prevent infection. That's everything that they need. It might seem like so little because we're used to having all of these facilities and all of these medications, and it was just nice to be reminded how it can be simple.